In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine accounts in the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Managing your chart of accounts effectively is essential to maintaining accurate financial records, and occasionally, you may find duplicate or redundant accounts that need to be merged. Merging accounts in QuickBooks Online is a simple process, but it does require careful attention to detail to avoid errors. So whether you're cleaning up your accounts for better organization or ensuring your reports are accurate, I'll guide you through each step. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to create your account and follow along with us. To get started, open QuickBooks Online. From the left-hand menu, select Accounting, then click on Chart of Accounts. This is where all your accounts are listed, and it's the place where we'll handle the merging process. Next, locate the two accounts you want to merge. Take a moment to confirm that they are indeed duplicates or serve the exact same purpose. It's important to be sure, as merging accounts cannot be undone. Once you've identified the duplicate accounts, double-check that both of them share the same type, structure, and balances. For example, make sure both are income accounts, expense accounts, or any other matching type. This step is critical because QuickBooks Online only allows merging if the account types align. If one of the accounts is set up as a sub-account while the other is a primary account, decide which setup you want to keep. Keep in mind that sub-accounts roll up into parent accounts, so choose the structure that best fits your bookkeeping needs. Now, select the account that you want to merge into the other. On the far right side of the account, click the drop-down menu and choose Edit. This will open the account details. Here's where the merge happens. In the Name field, change the account name to match the exact name of the other account you want to merge with. Be precise. Make sure the spelling, capitalization, spaces, and punctuation are identical. If there's even a small difference, QuickBooks won't recognize them as duplicates. If the account you're merging into is a sub-account, you'll also need to check the sub-account box. Ensure that the parent account selection matches the account you're merging with. This step ensures that the hierarchy in your chart of accounts remains consistent. Once everything is updated, click Save. QuickBooks will then display a prompt asking you to confirm the merge. Click Yes to proceed. Keep in mind, this action cannot be undone, so make sure you're entirely confident in your decision before confirming. After the merge is complete, take a moment to review your chart of accounts. Verify that the duplicate account has been removed and all balances have been transferred correctly to the remaining account. It's also a good idea to check your relevant reports to ensure the totals and data are accurate. And that's it. You've successfully combined accounts in the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.